Lakshmana and Shatrughna, my Lord Sri Ramachandra Prabhu, sage Valmiki, and all the Devatas and Devis. I attempt to recount Jatayu Moksha. Using the Tolu Bommalata shadow puppet play, I will not only narrate the story but also enact it out. Panchavati is located on the banks of the river Godavari. The wildflowers on the banks dance to the cool breeze, and the white cranes frequented the river catching fish from it. The air was joyful with the scents of jasmine. My Lord Ram and his beloved Sita, my mother, were able to find some serenity and happiness in the tranquil surrounding. My brother Lakshmana built a beautiful hut. Enjoying themselves at Panchavati, Ravanasura's evil sister Shurpanaka arrived, seducing Rama to marry her under false pretenses. She received punishment from Lakshmana for her demonic traits. This episode is known as Shurpanaka Manabhanga. She went back to Ravana's court, told him about how two brothers Rama and Lakshmana had humiliated her, and incited him by describing Sita's beauty explicitly and provocatively. And Ravanasura lost his senses and was enchanted by Mother Sita's beauty. By provoking Ravana, Shurpanaka exploited him as a pawn to settle her own grudges. Ravana was able to recall people praising Mother Sita's beauty. He was well aware of Mother Sita's marriage with the Prince of Ayodhya, my Lord Sri Rama. He was eager to meet her and win her hand as his own. He believed that it would be a good opportunity for him to capture Mother Sita. He could no longer suppress his arousing desire, and Rama's bravery was well known to him. He knew that defeating him was impossible. His only option was to deceive Lord Rama and take my mother Sita away. In order to carry out his evil scheme, he went to his mama Maricha. Upon learning of the plan to abduct Mother Sita, Maricha initially shook with terror. Although Maricha declined to assist Ravana, Ravana threatened to kill him. Maricha could not speak against Ravana as he was powerless. He could also foresee his death, so he decided to help Ravana in order to get in the hands of the noble prince Lord Rama than Ravana. Following Ravana's instruction, the skilled trickster Maricha transformed into a golden deer. In front of Sita, close to the hermitage, a pretty golden deer hopped and jumped with joy. husband, my lord Rama.
Nath? Nath? Swami? Oh my lord, please come here.
Sita, what happened? Why are you so excited?
Look at the deer near the bush. It is so beautiful. It's glowing.
Yes, it is amazing. It looks like a golden deer. Lakshmana, come, see this amazing deer.
My lord, can you capture the deer for me?
Sure, my loving Sita. Brother, the deer is shiny, but it does not look real. Yes, you're right, Lakshmana. The normal deer would not look like this. Brother, forget about it. It looks like some demon is trying to play some trick.
My lord, can you please get me that deer? It's so pretty.
Lakshmana, let's see if it's a real golden deer or not. If it is real, I will capture it. If not, there is no loss for us. As you say, my brother, let's capture it. No, Lakshmana, no. You stay here and take care of Sita. I will capture the deer for Sita. Unable to refuse Mother Sita's request, Lord Rama left to capture the deer. Rama went behind the deer and he took him deep inside the woods. My Lord Rama is an excellent archer, but every time he aimed at the deer, it would disappear. Thus, Rama realized that the deer was not real.
अरे चुप रहे रे
If I am truly virtuous, this arrow will kill the real being who has taken the form of deer. Ha, Lakshmana! Ha, Sita! Uttering the names of Lakshmana and Mother Sita, Maricha died on the spot. Rama understood that something was wrong. He rushed back towards the hermitage. At the same moment,
Lakshmana, did you hear that? It looks like your brother is in great trouble. Please go and find him. Bring him back here.
my brother would never call anyone for help. No one can cause him any trouble. He is a renowned archer of Ishwakukula. These are the tricks played by the demons in the forest. Please do not worry, Mother Sita.
Lakshmana, my heart is beating fast. It was like a death cry. Please go and find out what happened to your brother.
Brother Rama has ordered me not to leave you alone in this hut. Rama will be back safely. I know him.
Lakshmana, are you going to obey me or not? Your behavior makes me feel that you are waiting for this opportunity to take a chance on me.
Mother never understood. I will go and look for Rama. Mother, kindly remain inside the hut until we are back. I shall draw a line outside the hut. Do not cross this line at any cost. I pray that all trees of this forest, birds and swans to guard Mother Sita in my absence as your mother. In the meantime, Ravana took the form of Sage and approached Mother Sita. He saw Mother Sita and was stunned by her divine beauty. Bhati Bhikshan Dehi! Bhati Bhikshan Dehi! Bhati Bhikshan Dehi! भिक्षांदेहि.
Pranam, oh noble sage. Please wait, I shall get some bhiksha. Oh, I remember Lakshmana asking me not to cross the line he drew. How will I go and give bhiksha to this sage who is standing outside my hermitage?
Oh, noble woman. It looks like you don't want to serve me.
Oh sage, please do not misunderstand me. Could you come close to accept the bhiksha?
If you do not want to serve me the food, you can keep it for yourself. I shall return without accepting bhiksha and shall curse you.
No, noble sage, no. Have mercy upon me. I shall serve you bhiksha and do the duty of serving the one who begs for alms in hunger.
As Mother Sita went to serve Ravana, who was in a disguise of a sage, he took his original form of a demon. Mother Sita was shocked to see Ravana and trembled with fear. Ravana picked her up in his Pushpaka Vimana chariot and flew to the sky. Birds from the jungle flew all around and sent a signal to the Jatayu, the king of eagles and vultures. Jatayu, the king of eagles, who happened to be Chakravarti Dasharath Maharaj's friend and a well-wisher of Lord Rama, watched the birds howling. Jatayu normally looked after the hermitage and mother when Rama and Lakshmana were angry. He saw Ravana carrying Mother Sita in his chariot. Jatayu immediately attacked Ravana. Ravana was furious with Jatayu's interference. There was a fierce battle between Ravana and Jatayu. Ravana cut Jatayu's feathered wings with his sword. Jatayu did fight with another wing. At last, merciless Ravana cut the other wing. Mortally wounded Jatayu fell to the ground and Ravana flew away in his chariot carrying Mother Sita to Lanka. Unaware of all this, Lakshmana went in search of Lord Rama in dense forest. Brother Rama! 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 Lakshmana! Why are you here? I asked you to take care of Sita. Brother Rama, we heard a loud cry calling my name and Mother Sita's name. She was very worried and ordered me to search for you. Lakshmana, as you suggested, that deer was not real. When my arrow struck it, it took the form of a demon. While dying, it cried out your name and Sita's name in my voice. Everything seems to be pre-planned. I am now worried about Sita. We need to rush back to the hermitage as quickly as possible. Do not worry, brother. I have drawn a line of guard all around the kutira and asked Mother Sita to stay inside this line. Let's go back immediately. Lord Rama and Lakshmana could not find Sita in the hermitage. My lord broke and began to cry, Sita! 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 On the way, they saw wounded Jatayu lying on the ground and gasping for life. Ram, Lakshmana, Jatayu, what happened? Who did this to you? My Lord, please forgive me. I tried hard, but could not rescue Mother Sita. What happened to Sita? My Lord, Ravanasura abducted Mother Sita, flew to the sky in his chariot towards the sun. I tried to stop him, but he cut my wings. Please forgive me, my Lord. Oh, Jatayu, I can never forget the service you did to save Sita. I'm so unfortunate to have lost my kingdom, my father, wife, and now you, my dear Jatayu. Is now dead because of me. He tried to rescue Sita and lost his life because of that. Even the loss of Sita does not disturb me as much as the loss of Jatayu. He was as worthy of respect as my father, Dasharatha. Oh, Jatayu. Lord Rama then bestowed moksha upon Jatayu. He conducted his last rite. It is interesting to note that Dasharatha was not fortunate enough to have Rama perform his funeral rituals, while Jatayu was immensely fortunate. Jatayu achieved moksha as a result of this. Jai Shri Ram! Jai Shri Ram!
ఇంత మంచి ప్రోగ్రామ్ నేనైతే ఇప్పుడు చూడలేదండి. I haven't seen such a great program. I am really indebted to you, ma'am. This is a absolutely great program. No more words to really express our gratitude. I would like to understand from you people, maybe a couple of people, quick feedback as to what you felt about this program. Just two quick words. Anybody?
wonderful watching an episode like that. Regarding the alert made by the birds was really very, very realistic. It was wonderful. The episode as much. It was really an excellent show. I am sure the children would have enjoyed it and have got to learn a lot from this. God bless you, it was a wonderful program.
Anybody else would like to quickly express their thoughts about this program? This is happening for the first time in GKHR. First time.
We are all blessed to have been part of this program. Thank you, madam.
I request all the children to come forward. Out of love for Lord Sri Rama. అదేవిధంగా ఈ కార్యక్రమం చేసిన పిల్లలందరినీ కూడా వాళ్ళ యొక్క టాలెంట్ని గుర్తించాలి, వాళ్ళని ఎంకరేజ్ చేయాలి అనే ఒక సద్హృదయంతో వాళ్ళందరినీ కూడా ఒక్కసారి గట్టిగా జై శ్రీరామ్. పిల్లలందరికీ కూడా మనం చిన్నగా ఒక జ్ఞాపికలు ఇద్దాము. We will give them something so that they can cherish these moments and we can also cherish those beautiful moments. Before that, we would like to honor the ma'am and I request Girija Shankar garu to come over.
Thank you for giving this opportunity. When Sai Guru when he contacted me, somehow first instant said yes, then somehow there was something like telling no, no, no. There are many things going on. So my father always says, when you start Ramayana Parayana, too many hurdles will come as a test. Whether you stand or not, he is testing you. If you give up, then you give up. Then that means you are not that really very concentrated or you don't have that divinity or that bhakti towards him. So hurdles he will put. And twice I told him, there are so many hurdles in my family. Health issues, marriage and other things. I said, I may not be able to do. Then finally one day, I don't know what made me. I told him, I'm not going to do it. I'll ask Hanuman to do it. So that is, Rama will be assured. Me is an ahankara. Hanuman, he is sure. That day I designed Hanuman puppet. I made a Hanuman puppet. I prayed him. I told him, Hanuman, I don't know Ramayana. I am not as blessed as Valmiki. I am not blessed as you or none of the one from the Ramayana part. Even Maricha. See, Maricha was quite clever. He thought, okay, why should I die in the hands of Ravana? It's better to die in the hands of Rama. And he called out Sita's name first. So it's always said, we should take the blessings of Ammayaru. So he got blessings of Ammayaru, then he took the name of Lakshmana. Lakshmana is Bhagavata. Then Rama had to bestow him moksha. So very simple and easy method he chose. So we are not even fortunate like that. So I told Hanuman, you are going to do it. And I told even Sai Gauri, every day when I messaged him, I used to say, Hanuman will take care. And he said, be less assured, madam, Hanuman will do. So the story is being narrated by Hanuman. So everything goes to him, to Hanuman's father.
Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram. And to introduce the people who were behind doing, because I said I wanted it to be in the form of connecting to roots. I said, let's go to roots, let's teach them, because I am training in puppetry in 4 schools. I wanted them to have the feel. What would be the condition if there is no electric power? Madam, we have mobile torch. What if even that battery goes down? Madam, we have this. I said, think those days when our great-great-grandparents and grandparents lived happily without electricity. With all electricity and other gadgets, we have made our life so complicated now. I said, you just test. So they were practicing with the lights, the burning. They said, madam, so much of heat. I said, no problem, just carry on. 20 minutes show, you can manage. You know how it is. So they were all going behind. It was so hot. So hot there. So behind the stage, stage set designer is our youth team member, Mahesha Bihar, who is here. And Ramanana,
రాములన్న రండి. అండ్ నాగేశ్వరరావు గారు, శ్రవణ్ కుమార్ గారు. I was just behind them that I wanted, so they were all breaking their heads and we had to use the one, like we had to upcycle the things that we have at our disposal. So I could have even made with the rod as Sai Garu was telling me, why did I said we could have done, but we had to upcycle some of the rods that was there. So I made them design the whole stage. So they are taking, so they have taken much time in screwing it, but yesterday the stage was ready and they have taken all this thing. And during this, I would like to just honor Ramu Garu, that I would take this.
Kindly requesting you all to be proactive. Please give them good round of applause, please.
He was before me in the school. I said he has started at 3. He was there at 12. So Hanuman is there to push him. Chala chala ధన్యవాదాలు అన్న.
రామోహన్ గారు మా అందరి తరఫున కూడా మీకు ధన్యవాదాలు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
And I would request Girija Shankar ma'am to please honor her. Can we have a huge round of applause for all of their efforts? तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए. जय श्री राम. Next, the backbone, Ramu Anna. I request Subramaniam uncle to please honor him for all of their tireless efforts for it. No show is complete without the backstage. Shravan Kumar. Can we have a huge round of applause, please? Can we have a huge, huge round of applause? Nageshwarrao garu. Bachcho, Jai Shri Ram. And Mahesh Anna. Taking this art form forward, we have Advait. Can I please request R.V. Srinivas garu to please come up onto the stage? R.V. Srinivas garu, please come onto the stage. Next up, we have Anish. Can we have a huge round of applause? It is their e-test with which they are learning this, and I definitely think we should encourage this. Can we have a huge round of applause, please? Our next is Dishant. Ayush. I think for their tireless efforts, can we have a louder round of applause? Shravani. Jai Shri Ram.
ఇంత అద్భుతంగా కార్యక్రమం చేసిన మన హనుమంతుల వారికి కృతజ్ఞతగా ఇప్పుడు మనం ఒక హనుమాన్ చాలీసా పఠన అనుకున్న విధంగా చేద్దాము.